Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlyFans, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how does OnlyFans transactions show up on your bank account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how the transaction appears on your bank statement from OnlyFans? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you found a really interesting profile that you like to view on OnlyFans, and you share a bank with somebody and you're concerned what it's going to show up as. Whatever the case is, I'm going to open up my OnlyFans and show you where you can find this information. So I'm going to open up OnlyFans. If you don't have this already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open my OnlyFans right here now. It's this blue and white app. It looks like it has a little lock on it. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my OnlyFans. This is the home screen. But if you want to get information on what shows up on your bank statement when you purchase a subscription or a membership on OnlyFans, what you want to do is click right here on your profile icon. It's here on the bottom right. It looks like a little circle with a person inside. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this drop-down menu. But if you want to see what an OnlyFans transaction is going to show on your bank statement, you want to click on this line right here called Your Cards. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. So OnlyFans probably gets that question quite a bit. And if you want to know what it's going to show on your bank statement, you want to look right here on this little gray bar. It says the charges on your credit card statement will appear as OnlyFans. So if you have a busybody living in your house, or maybe you share a bank statement with them and you don't want them to know that you have an OnlyFans subscription, this is what's going to show up. It will show OnlyFans. So if you feel like that's going to create questions with the person who sees your bank statements, you definitely do not want to subscribe to OnlyFans using a shared bank account or credit card or something like that. So because subscribing to certain channels on OnlyFans probably causes a lot of relationship issues, OnlyFans has probably gotten this question quite a bit, so that's why it is disclosed there before you add a debit card or a credit card into your OnlyFans account as a payment method. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what's going to show up on your credit card statement when you subscribe to somebody on OnlyFans, it will be listed as OnlyFans. If yours showed up as something different, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.